Hi, my name's Vicky Stats. I'm the Clinical Information Systems Manager for Unity Sexual Health Services in Bristol. But more importantly, I'm a regular bike user. Unity Sexual Health Service is based at the Central Health Clinic, which is in central Bristol. There is very little parking available, so bike riding is the best form of transport to work. The previous bike storage at the Central Health Clinic was very dangerous. It had sloped ramps in a caged area, which created problems specifically for women or people with disabilities. We'd had a long history of bikes being damaged and risks to people, so it was really important that we got some safer bike storage and more bike storage. So there'd been lots of plans to get some quite sophisticated bike storage on site, but the actual area for bike storage is quite small and the costs were going up and up. We decided to go with a cycle hanger solution because it was the most cost-effective and practical solution for the small area of storage we had available for bikes. So we have 3 cycle hoop bike hangers that allows for 18 bikes to be stored at any one time. We have a fob system that allows you to access any of the 3 hangers. It means that because we have a lot of part-time staff, we have more fobs, but we can share them amongst people. So the fob access is really good for organisations where there's a lot of users and turnover of users as well. The bike hangers appear extremely robust and secure. We did have an attempted break-in, and although they broke off the lock barrels, they were unable to access the actual hangers or anything inside them. So we feel very confident that the bikes are secure inside them. Cycle Hoop have been very supportive and helpful when we've hit a few problems. When we had the break-in, they were really quick to respond and get someone here to fix them. It was fairly obvious a lot of staff at Central Health Clinic wanted to cycle to work, but were unable to because there wasn't sufficient bike storage. I've heard of lots of staff who are now cycling to work because they know there's safe, secure, easy to use storage available. A lot of NHS facilities are in town and have very limited parking, and so staff being able to cycle safely and store their bikes is really important. The NHS has a strategy for sustainable transport and an aim for net zero carbon emissions. These cycle hoop hangers allow staff to travel to work and park their bikes in a safe, secure storage. The travel is cheap, is sustainable and contributes to the net zero target.